Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So for the latest videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you like this particular video, be sure to hit that like button, maybe share with a friend. Both those really do help out the channel. So today's product I want to share with you is a cool little kid's toy, or slime in this case. I will include a link in the description if you want to check it out on Amazon, see what the current price point is, but essentially, it is the Zen Laboratory, the Jumbo Slime Kit. This is the box it's going to come in. Very colorful, and it comes with a lot of stuff. So let's kind of open it up and show you everything you're going to get. First, right off the top, it's going to have a little instructions here. Be sure to have read over this, or have a grown-up read over this, because it'll tell you kind of how to mix up all the various slimes. But when you open it up, this is what it looks like. Everything's very, very well packaged. You're going to get a ton of slime in all different colors. So we got a blue, yellow, green and purple, red and orange. You got a clear one, kind of another pink, another clear one. I mean, as you can see, you've got a ton. So you'll be able to have lots of fun. You don't need to do it all at once. So we got, let's see, that's right now 15, 16, 17, 18 little containers of slime here. Now this is kind of the cool part. These are all the little things you get to add into it, and you're going to kind of mix it up to give the slime different textures. So you got these little blue foam balls. You also have the same thing in green, yellow, and kind of pink. Then you kind of have these bigger, what I would say, gum-looking foam balls. You can mix those in. Then they got kind of smaller ones. And even if you don't use these in the slime, right, they make great for other arts and crafts too. So you don't use them all. Then you got little blue glass beads. This is all going to give you different textures when you apply them. You got clear beads. Obviously, you want to make sure, I think, what did it say? Children under the age of 5 is not recommended. Obviously, you want to be careful with choking hazards because there's a lot of little pieces here. Then you got these kind of rainbow colored ones here. Then just little pieces of paper. But they're all like fruits. So there's grapefruit in here, kiwi, and oranges, all kinds of passion fruit, all kinds of stuff in here. Then you are going to get a straw, which this will be helpful for using like the glitters and stuff. And you're going to get some tools here for slicing and dicing. Then you're going to get a ton of molds. So if you don't want to, you want to make a specific shape for an animal, you get a ton of molds. So we got an octopus, crab, seahorse, turtle, got a shell, let's see, got a crab, sand dollar, and a dolphin. Now, these are kind of cool. So you get 2 pouches of this little fine powder here, and this is glow-in-the-dark stuff. So you can mix this into your slime, and it'll glow in the dark. And you can, you can take like this and mix it with the beads. I mean, you can just be as creative as you want. Then you've got pink and purple little thin kind of little plastic pieces, and then finally, but not least, you get a ton of glitter. So, very versatile, lots of activities, lots of fun. You can experiment. If you're not happy with your first set, you just go grab another container, and that's kind of it. I mean, it's lots of options to keep the kiddos busy. And there you go, and that's it. Just, typical slime. So you just kind of mix this up with whatever ingredient you want, kind of have fun. Great for a rainy day. And that is basically it. So if you want to, like I said, I'll include a link in the description if you want to check this out on Amazon. But also feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond if you have any questions. And until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you're a rock star. You made it to the end of the video. Now, if you really want to become a legend, help me out, hit that subscribe button. And then it always helps also if you hit that like button and share these videos. Till the next one, you guys take it easy.